Give you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's your girl Tessie, and it's been a minute, guys. Like, I have been MIA, and guys, I can't even tell you where I was because I don't even know what I was doing or where I was. Anyways, so in today's video, I've got a video idea that I wanted to share with you guys, and this has been in my mind for quite some time now, and I just feel like coming back on YouTube, this will be the most appropriate video to come back with. Yes, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a shine from a very shiny cheap cosplay synthetic wig. Now, I went for this wig in particular because it is so cheap. It's about £8 in the UK, so that's about $10 in the US. I'm not quite sure, depending on the exchange rate. And I got it on Amazon. This video is not sponsored by any hair company at all. It's just for the sole purpose of me showing you guys how to remove a shine from an extremely shiny synthetic wig. Now, this video is going to have a part 1 and a part 2. The reason is because a lot of you has been asking me, how do I get shine out of my synthetic wig? And at the same time, I've got a lot of questions on how do I rock my fringe wig. So I got a fringe wig that is synthetic, very shiny. So I'm just going to use one stone to kill two birds. So apparently I'm going to show you in this video how to remove a shine from this synthetic hair, and then in my next video I'm going to show you how to wear your synthetic fringe wig to make it look natural. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Because this video is not sponsored by any wig or hair company today, I'm not going to pay much attention to the wig itself. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. Can you see how shiny this wig is? Yeah, I went for a very shiny wig because I've got a process I want to try to remove shine from my wig, and I wanted it to be so obvious that the wig is shiny, and then I'm going to show you guys if it works or not. So this is how really shiny this wig is. Can you see how it's glowing through? It's so shiny, and we want that. We want it really shiny so we can make it unshine, and then we can see if the process actually really works. Okay, that's what we're doing today. So I'm just gonna put the wig on my head, comb it out, let you guys see how really shiny it is, and then I'm gonna jump into the process on how to take your shine out of a synthetic wig. So shiny. I'm just gonna comb that, and this is a synthetic wig, by the way. Can you see the amount of hair that is coming off this wig? Like, it's literally shedding. Now, I source my synthetic wigs before buying. I don't just go on Amazon and then pick a wig. I actually source it, and I have a couple of things I use to, you know, buy my wig. So like, if it has this, if it has that, if the seller does this, if the seller does that. I'm not going to give out those details right here because it's kind of like a business strategy. So those are details that needs to be paid for people. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to make a video to show you guys how to buy a good hair. That's the side. All right, so I'm just going to comb it. So this is like a £8 on Amazon synthetic wigs. A really synthetic, really bad, really shiny. Can you see how the shine is? So shiny. So I'm just gonna go ahead, put it on. Yeah, terrible wig. So it's supposed to be a fringe wig. For those of you asking how to wear your fringe wig, the part 2 of this video is how to wear your fringe wig using this same wig. But today, we're just going to learn how to take the shine out of this really shiny, cheap synthetic wig. So this is basically how it is. So basically, if you buy a fringe wig, this is how you're going to get it. Like, basically, like this. You have to make it the way you like it. So that's in my next video, part 2. So let's jump into the video. So let me just go ahead and take a little before and after picture.
Right, let's get into this
process. The first thing you're going to be needing is your fabric softener. It's very important, keeps the hair smelling nice and soft. The next thing is your bentonite clay. That's the major thing you'll need for this process, and your apple cider vinegar. Then you're going to need your shampoo to wash out the dirt and your conditioner to make the hair a bit soft. Then don't forget your wig and a bowl to put everything in. Let's get started. First, you're going to need 2 cups of your fabric softener. Now, depending on how full your synthetic wig is, I thought 2 cups would definitely be enough because this wig is not too big, but that was a misjudgment on my part. I should have used about 4. Then the next thing is a scoop of your bentonite clay. I used too much of scoop. I should have used half or quarter. So I used about half. I should use about quarter. The more your bentonite clay, the more effect it will give your wig. So this actually gave my wig more ashy effect. It turned down the shine and made it look too much like a dull color. You're going to go ahead and whisk that bentonite clay in the fabric softener, and when it's all dissolved, you're going to pour in warm water. Listen guys, I did not say cold, I said warm water. Then you're going to start dipping your wig into the mix and make sure that the mix touches all of the wig by pressing it down, turning it around, and making sure that you rotate and saturate the product into the wig. Now, the aim is to leave this in for about 10 minutes, but who is to say you don't keep coming and touching it and making sure that everywhere is saturated. Now, if you're doing this correctly, the water should be feeling like hard water. That means it's not slimy, it's not clingy, it's not slimy, nothing. It's just gonna be so hard that you could literally snap your hands when you touch it. Next thing is pushing down the wig, trying to see if everything is saturated, like I said before. And then you're going to take it out once your 10 minutes elapses. Press it out just like so, and then take the water out. If you're doing it correctly, your wig should look a bit hard or should feel a bit hard. Don't worry about it. We'll get to that bit. Now we're going to rinse that bentonite clay from the wig by putting it into a fresh water and just dab it in, and then just press it all out. Once you've rinsed out the bentonite clay from the wig, you're going to press it out. I went a little bit too hard on the pressing. Then you're going to get a clay bowl, turn in another warm water, and this time around we're going to the next process of making the wig soft. Now we're going to put in 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. This measurement is for all wig type. You don't have to make yours bigger or smaller. Now the next thing is your conditioner. The generous you are with this conditioner, the more soft your wig will be. When you put in your conditioner, you have to whisk it around and make sure that the conditioner is all saturated. I did put a little bit in my bowl, but when I started putting the wig in, I discovered that ain't going to be enough. So make sure that you're very generous with your conditioner. I did go in later on to add more conditioner, which shouldn't be so, but I did that because I needed more conditioner. But make sure that when you're doing yours, try to be very, very generous with the conditioner. The more conditioner, the softer your wig will come out. We need the wig to be soft. So I'll call this whole process of naturalization. You're going to leave that in for about 5 minutes. Keep pressing it in and let it soften down for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you're going to press all of the water out like so. I went a bit too hard, but don't do that. Just make sure you press water out. Anyhow you want to do it is totally fine. And then you're going to take the water off. And the next thing is the last thing rather is your shampoo. Now, this process is washing out all of the products that has touched the wig. Because we've put so many products, the wig is bound to smell a bit. Now we're going to wash every bit of smell out. and then we're gonna rinse it. When you're washing it with your shampoo, you can try to comb it. If it's soft, it will definitely comb out. If not, do not worry at all. We have an appropriate time for combing it. Once you've pressed out the shampoo, I took it off and I just rinsed it with my conditioner, comb it, and then this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna get my mannequin head, place the wig on the mannequin head, and comb every inch of that wig out. Now remember guys, for this process to really work well, you need to comb every bit out, and it has to be done on a straight object. If you don't have a mannequin head or you don't have a wig stand, you could definitely hang it on a hook by your door, on your hanger, whatever. Just make sure that the wig is standing straight when you comb it out. Once you've combed everything out, make sure that it's all stretched out, all combed out, because whatever you do to this wig while it's wet, that's how it's gonna come out when it's dried. So we need the wig to be straight, we need the wig to untangle when it comes up. So yeah, after I've done all of that, this is how it looks, and I'm just gonna let it air dry overnight, and I'll be back tomorrow to show you the final effect look of this wig.
All right guys, so yeah, this is the second day, day 2 of our little experiment, and I've got with me the wig, guys. Like, look at this wig, the shine's gone. So this is how when it dried up, this is how it is. But look at it, look at the wig, look at the wig. So I'm just gonna put it on my head, show you guys how it actually turned out. All right people, so this is the final look of this wig. Look at it very well guys. I'm just gonna go very close to the camera so you guys can see that this wig is totally slayed out. Like, the shine is all gone. I'm not even joking guys. Try out this process and let me know. As you can see right here, a lot is happening. I haven't customized the wig yet, so I just took it out of my face so I can do this video. So the part 2 of this video is going to be how I finesse my fringe wig, how I totally wear my fringe wig to make it look really, really natural. So this is the wig so far. It's the same wig that I showed you guys before with lots and lots of shiny effects, and my Bentonite Clay method has totally removed the shine and turned the wig into a natural feel, natural looking wig. I am so obsessed with this method since I discovered it. I said to myself, you know what, I'm gonna go on YouTube, show you guys what I've discovered, show you guys the new way to take out shine from your synthetic hair. So I'm just gonna go close to the camera so you guys can see how really, really matte this wig looks now compared to how it looked before. The only difference on this wig is it gave it a little bit of archy look, but the shine is totally gone. It's mellowed down, it's calm. And this is all thanks to my new method of removing shine from your synthetic wig, which is the Bentonite Clay method. So yeah guys, I really love you guys to try this method and let me know what you think. Let me know if the method works for you, but please make sure you do it step by step the way that I've showed you in this video, and just comment below if you think this method works for you. Just let me know. I need all your feedbacks, because only then will I know that you're interested in the content that I put out, and I'm gonna be, working really hard to bring you more hacks on synthetic wigs. So yeah, you want to see how I totally finesse this wig, how I wear my fringe wig, or how to wear your fringe wig to make it look really, really natural, then watch the part 2 of this video, which will be uploading next week. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and if you do, please ring the notification bell so whenever I post a video, you will be the first to know. In the meantime, drink lots and lots of water, moisturize, and I'll definitely be seeing you in another video. Bye guys.